everyone. Welcome to our channel, Nisha's French classes. Today, we are going to be helping students who are in distress. If you're preparing for IGCSE French Paper 3 exam, today's video is all about how to use complex and variety of sentences to impress your examiner and score high. I know there are a lot of people who have a problem in speaking. They do not understand what to do. So, what it is? What is a complex sentence? And this not only shows that you know your vocabulary, but also will demonstrate that you know and you think about things in French and express yourself clearly in different contexts. Because this is very important when you are doing a French speaking to achieve a higher grade. Now, what's a complex sentence? Tell me, what's a complex sentence? I'll explain you a difference between the simple sentence and a complex sentence in French. A simple sentence could be like j'aime le sport. So this is a simple sentence. It is not that you will not be, the examiner won't be accepting this answer. However, if I use this sentence, instead of this, I use j'aime le sport, parce que ça me garde en forme et c'est aussi très amusant. So now over here, I have used connectors like parce que, donc, cependant, puisque, mais. So these simple connectors would transform your simple ideas into more advanced expressions, which will give you more marks when you are speaking to person. However, the speaking marks definitely are important when you are doing a IGCSE exam because it's a 40-mark paper. Now, I can give you some more examples of complex sentences, like instead of saying, if somebody is asking you about question on going to school, I say je vais à l'école. I could say je vais à l'école parce que je dois préparer pour mon examen de français. So here there can be a question on why do you go to school, or here instead I could say why do you go to school, or what do you do to school? I go to the school because I must prepare for my French exam. Je vais à l'école parce que pendant la semaine, j'ai beaucoup de cours. So this topic would be about your school life. Topic 2, I guess, is covered about your school life. Rather than, another example I could give you is, rather than j'aime les vacances, I could say j'aime partir en vacances parce que j'adore découvrir la nouvelle culture ou rencontrer des gens de nationalité différente. Now, how multiple clauses or reasons combined in a single sentence would add depth to your answers. It's very necessary. One more example I could give you, like, le weekend, je fais du sport parce que c'est bon pour la santé. Aussi, ils permettent de passer le weekend avec mes amis, or ils permettent de passer beaucoup de temps avec ma famille. So here you are completely giving an answer on how it should have been done. Now, some tips on practicing complex sentences. Start with simple sentences. Add connectors to it. Begin with clause. Then gradually make more detailed sentences. For your help, in comments in the description box, I will add some connectors, some sentences that you could use when you are doing a French exam. Second tip is, you could practice out loud. Write down some common exam topics like family, hobbies, school. You could write some basic sentences on them and not memorize them, but definitely, start talking about them. Like, speak about your family. Suppose somebody is telling you, speak about your family. So you can say, dans ma famille, il y a 4 personnes et nous aimons de passer du temps ensemble, surtout pendant les vacances ou pendant le weekend. So this is going to give you a little more examples to talk about, and the teacher will keep on understanding that you know your subject. There are few mistakes that you always make, which you should avoid. Avoid overcomplicated sentences. Avoid mugging up sentences. Avoid sentences that won't make sense. Like, I have just mugged up a sentence and I'm trying to speak on them. I'm definitely going to make a very, very bad sentence out of it. Because if you are mugging up a sentence, you're definitely not understanding the meaning of it. And you're just going to speak it out. And even if you miss a single word here and there, you're definitely going to lose out. Don't try to fit many ideas in one sentence. That is also a common mistake we do. What happens is we start thinking in English and we start talking in French. Many times, most of the times, literal English translation to French is not happening. You should not do it. You may, when you're doing that, you may lose track of a sentence and you may just start speaking anything that comes to your mouth. For example, do not use like je vais à l'école parce que j'aime l'école et aussi c'est près de chez moi, mais parfois il fait froid. What does this sentence mean? I'm talking about school. Why do I go to school? Okay, I go to school because I like the school. It is next to me, but sometimes it's cold. What sentence is it making? So it will show that my thought has no clarity on what I'm going to speak. Don't forget to check for agreements, conjugations while combining your clauses, especially when you're talking about your past tense, your future tense. Always, while in past, if I'm talking about a passive composer with être, my agreement has to be clearly mentioned. When I'm talking about a future tense, futur proche, futur simple, in case people who can use future anterior, keep it clear. The teacher should understand what kind of tense are you talking about. Otherwise, it is definitely a problem. Don't forget this point. It is very important. Don't forget your tenses. Don't forget to understand in which tense the question is being asked. So, and then I would like to summarize this. Remember using complex and variety of sentences. This shows that you can express more than just basic ideas, and that is what the examiner wants to see. Practice regularly, not to only build fluency, but to become more comfortable using your connectors and explaining your ideas. And here we come to the closing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. Please let us know in comments if you would like us to make more videos like this to help you understand the topic. If yes, do let us know. We have linked our website also below. So in case of any queries, you can come back to us. We will be more than happy to help you. And bonne chance for acing your French exams. Thank you. Do follow us for more.